Hello, my name is Jimmy and today we're checking out the Genesis GV80. We're going to see how the Clek Liing, Clek Foonf, as well as the baby Zen yo-yo fits inside this vehicle. So let's take a look. As you can see, I have the Clek Liing installed on the driver's side and I got the Foonf installed here on the passenger side. There's plenty of room on the top, as well as the seat is low enough for me to easily slide the seat in. In terms of front passenger comfort, not a problem. The GV80 is quite large of a vehicle. There's plenty of room for front occupants, even in front of the Foonf itself. In terms of lower anchors, there's two sets. There's one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Even with the 3-row version of the GV80, there are no lower anchors on the 3rd row. In terms of upper anchors, there's 3 across. One on the driver's side, one in the middle, and one on the passenger side, but only within the 2nd row. I do have to note as well, the anchors that's in the 2nd row, they're actually quite deep into the seat itself. It is a little difficult to get access to, but once you have the seats installed, it shouldn't be too much of a problem and it will not affect your child's seats. Let's put the Foonf in just to see exactly how much room there is within the vehicle itself. The Genesis doors don't open a complete 90 degrees, but it's still not hard to put the taller seat in. There's plenty of headroom on top, and the seat itself is still low enough for me to gain easy access. Let's take a look at the trunk just to see what else I can fit back here. Space in the trunk definitely varies depending on your configuration. This is the 3-row version, which means with the 3rd row up, there isn't a whole lot of space behind it. But the baby Zen yo-yo does fit perfectly. If you have the seats folded, well, plenty of space is available. And that's exactly how we can get the Clek Liing, Foonf, as well as the baby Zen yo-yo to fit inside this vehicle. Can a family? Well, obviously, it certainly can. There's plenty of room here for you and your entire family. And with the optional 3rd row, you may be able to fit a few more kiddos back there. In any case, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.